Solana SAL is a quick, decentralized, and versatile cryptographic money that uses a special evidence of history agreement calculation, empowering quick exchange times and low charges, with an objective of working on decentralized finance and Web3 applications. In the event that you're searching for Solana cost expectations gauge for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Solana SOL will go from now on, we will investigate the previous costs of Solana SOL and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally unimaginable. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? Solana outline. Presented back in 2017, Solana SOL plans to give clients market-level security foundation with extraordinary ease of use among clients. The organization furnishes its clients with an exchange speed that nobody has at any point found in another blockchain project. The worldwide economy is changing exceptionally quick whenever contrasted with its past adaptations. At this stage, Solana comes to use the worldwide economy on an unheard-of level. Solana is for the most part known for its versatility, productivity, and speed. SOL was at first established by Anatoly Yakovenko. His aim was to fabricate an organization that would separate Solana from any remaining tasks as of now running on the lookout. He held hands with different designers to use the course of the task. Just after its ICO, Solana joined forces with another task named Serum to assist with building the DEX application. The application was effective around then. The reason that the application served was that it made a biological system where the costs for the brokers were refreshed each 400 milliseconds. Solana is viewed as one of the top cryptographic forms of money on the planet. Due to its exchange speed and unrivaled equal security, the coin is accessible on quite possibly of the most well-known trade. Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase are a portion of the significant trades that offer Solana. Solana coins can likewise be gotten to by means of atoms in certain nations. With regards to its opponents, Solana is furnishing much better exchange speed with a very lower exchange charge. Solana utilizes the verification of stake framework, where the clients stake their cash on the organization and procure rewards. During the time spent acquiring rewards, clients additionally help the specific blockchain at its ideal. Solana Benefit Number Cruncher is a free device that permits you to quickly assess the exhibition of your SOL possessions by working out expected benefits and misfortunes in view of fluctuating business sector costs. Basically enter the sum you have contributed, the purchasing cost, and the sell value, charge, and our SOL Number Cruncher will wrap up. We foresee future Solana cost expectation SOL estimate by applying profound man-made consciousness-helped specialized examination on the past value information of Solana. We give our all to gather most extreme, authentic information for the SOL coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Solana market cap, Solana volume, and not many more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our forecasts. Solana Value Forecast Outline. Solana Cost Gauge recommends a chance of SOL exchanging between $254.38 to $309.05 in 2025. The cost of one SOL would reach as high as $1.896 by 2030. Solana SOL is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $45,686 constantly 2040. In a bullish situation, Solana could outperform the $77 to $285 mark for 2050, displaying possible vertical energy. Continuous information shows Solana is exchanging at $121.90. Solana Value Expectation 2024. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $177.73 in 2024. The Solana cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $201.70 with the typical cost of $183.19 all through 2024. Solana Value Forecast 2025. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $254.38 in 2025. The Solana cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $309.05 with the typical exchanging cost of $263.54 all through 2025. SOL Value Estimate for 2026. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Solana is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $377.27. The The SOL cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $445.53 with the typical worth of $390.45. Solana SOL Value Forecast 2027. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SOL, in 2027 the cost of Solana is estimated to be at around a base worth of $524.85. The Solana value worth can arrive at a limit of $657.46 with the typical exchanging worth of $540.47 in USD. Solana Value Forecast 2028. Solana cost is estimated to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $721.05 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the SOL cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $9.2524 with the typical gauge cost of $748.08. Solana Value Forecast 2029. The cost of one Solana is supposed to reach at any rate level of $1.93 in 2029. The SOL cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.282 with the typical cost of $1.130 all through 2029. Solana SOL Value Forecast 2030. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2030 the cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $1,570. The SOL cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1,896 with the typical exchanging cost of $1,626. Solana Value Estimate 2031. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $2,214 in 2031. The Solana cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $2,744 with a typical exchanging cost of $2,295 all through 2031. Solana SOL Value Expectation 2032. Solana cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $3,454 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the SOL cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $3,974 with the typical gauge cost of $3,569. Solana Value Forecast 2033. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SOL, in 2033 the cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at least degree of $4,713. The SOL cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $69 with the typical exchanging cost of $4,891. Solana Value Gauge 2040. Long-haul forecast ought to be drawn closer with alert because of the intrinsic vulnerabilities in the digital money market. Expansion and remaining informed about the most recent advancements are key methodologies for overseeing chances related with long-haul crypto speculations. According to our SOL cost forecast, the year 2040 can end with a most extreme cost of $45,686, while the base value worth of a Solana can be around $28.28 with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $34,876 approximately.